learn, on, under, above, below. Bird is on the tree. Cat is under the tree. Kite is above the house. Cow is below the house. Cat is on the table. Rat is under the table. Fan is above the table. Boy is below the fan. Monkey is on the tree. Lion is under the tree. Aeroplane is above the mountain. Tiger is below the mountain. Girl is on the bed. Toy is under the bed. Bird is above the boat. Fish is below the boat. Book is on the chair. Ball is under the chair. Light is above the chair. Girl is below the light. Quiz. Where is the cat? Cat is on the table. Where is the ball? Ball is under the chair. Where is the fan? Fan is above the table. Where is the girl? Girl is below the light. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Brinav's Gallery. Thank you.